Alright guys, so I did some interactions to zkSync interactions. This one is potential multiplier, flexible. It's called paymaster. So I'm going to be using mute. Okay, I'm going to convert to mute. I'm going to be swapping. Let's swap ETH to say USDT. Stable tokens can be very funny sometimes. Sometimes they don't give you volume. Yeah. Let's do rapid zero. Let's go near that. Okay, let's do mute. So I'm going to bridge 0, 0 to 58. I'm going to swap, sorry. So, sorry, before I do that, I'm going to come over here to the gas option at the top here. Please look at what I'm doing. At the top, you click on the gas option and change it from ETH to any other token you have, okay? If you don't have any, I should have mute. Okay, let's go to sync swap and get some USDT, for example. So these are just two different interactions we're going to be using as multipliers for that's too much. I need just 5, 2. Let's get USDT. No, it's not showing over there. I have mute. This is mute here now. Why is it not showing on mute? I have mute. Why is it not going? Let's get USDT. Let's, the network fee is favorable. It's 0.75. It's okay. So we've got it from USDT. I'm going to convert to mute and reload. So now I'm going to wire back. See now the mute is showing. Can you imagine? I'm going to use mute as feed. That's what paymaster means. I'm coming over here like I was about to do the other time. And I'm going to swap it to mute. Grab. That's what paymaster means. Using another token to pay for fee instead of ETH. That was fast. Alright, so that's the first swap we've done. Now I'll go to do another swap. Into 0. As the first one gone through. Yeah, it has. So we're going to do another 0.02 to let's do to die. Remember I'll pay for the fee in mute. Can change to the next one and pay for the fee in USDT. so you guys have an idea of what the paymaster is all about. So we're gonna come over here and change to USDT. Get so let's swap this time around to the USDT. So let's do 0.02 to swap that. See, we paid just 0.2 USDT. It's nice, right? So that's what paymaster is all about. The second thing we're going to be doing is safe. Okay, it's called safe. So I'm gonna go safe. All right. So this is app safe. Okay. So what we just do is come over here and connect our wallet. Okay. And create an account. So create an account. Continue with my MetaMask. Okay. So I'm gonna click on next here. I'll check in. Okay. Next. Okay. We're gonna click on add new owner. So we have to create two new wallets under the main one. So I have some here already, so I don't need to create. I'm going to use my account 3. Is Sure. Which one is this one? 9B, 9B. So this is 2. Now we're going to add another one that's going to be my account 4. 4. I'm going to name that one Alicia. Yeah. So that 3. 2 out of 3 owners. Then click on next. Okay, we have Alicia. Okay, we have Alicia. We have Alright, go to next. Let's see what the fee is saying. Normally zkSync is the network I like so much. The fee usually makes sense most times. 362. So alright, so wait for that to complete, and basically that's it, guys. It's easy peasy. Those two transactions as a multiplier for everything we've been doing on zkSync since last year.